What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Now, hold on, y'all gotta excuse me for the background. You know, I got the lighting is off right now because it's so bright behind me. I'm working on getting my studio better set up where the lighting is not as affected as much, but y'all just hang, through it. It's going to be some very valuable information in this video. So first off, come join our private investment community on Facebook, private stock market game. We are knocking it out the park in here. We just caught yesterday a play we tripled our money on in only 7 hours. Another play the day before that we already tripled our money on. We knocking it out the park, y'all. If y'all like making money, come tap in. Also, my private Discord is available for those that want early access to these plays that I'm calling. Email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. So next, come follow me on Twitter @DecemberDeMarco. And now let's take a look at the overall market. We are up today 2.12%. Bitcoin is, hovering up 2% today at that 41 level. A lot of people are asking me, what's going on? Why is the market moving up? Do I see Bitcoin going to continue to push up? Now, I told y'all in my video yesterday, we did a little technical analysis where I told y'all I estimated Bitcoin to potentially push off of those resistance levels that we were seeing, I believe around a 44,000 level. And then I'm expecting to see the market makers push the market back down. Why is that, we ask? It's not that I'm bearish. It's just that I think that's the way the market makers would like to fake everybody out. You got to understand the stock market, the crypto markets, these markets in general are a device to transfer money from the hands of the impatient to the patient. So I believe we'll start to see some resistance around this range. We got to look left in the chart. We got to look at the previous resistance areas in the chart. And I think around here we may see some resistance if we continue to pump up. And then what will we be likely to see happen after that? The money get pulled back off the table. And I think we could potentially see a $30,000 Bitcoin. I think we want to retest these areas over here, to be honest, around that 29 and 30 range. So y'all can set those buy orders in just in case we happen to wick down into that range real quick. Y'all see we tested at 32, 33 range before we push back up. And what the market makers will do is FOMO everybody into thinking everything turned around, which I do think we found the bottom. I think that did kind of let us know, we were around the bottom here where we see the play get made. Now here is where we'll see the price pushed up, new buyers come in, market makers pull the price down, panic, make everybody panic sell to sell for a loss, take their money off the table, make it look really scary, run it all the way down to 30, and then boom, we see a pushback up to make new all-time highs. That's what I think. So I think we could be seeing a $70,000 Bitcoin soon after we hit that 30 level. This is not financial advice. This is not guaranteed. This is what I think is potential is likely to happen, because I know these market makers are dirty. I know they like to trick people. And, we try to just think of the oopty-wop before it happens. So if we keep looking, ETH is up 1.72% today, sitting at that $3,000 level. BNB looking nice, up 4%, finally back in the 400s. I've been telling y'all to scoop these up while they were on a discount. And now let's take a look at the token of the hour. We got Shiba Inu sitting at that 2258 level, up 2.66% for the day. Things are looking good, man. I'm glad y'all that were, buying when I was telling y'all that at around that 17 level, 18 level, 19 level, those were all buying opportunities. When you see the prices drop and literally when you can start to feel the pain, when you can literally start to feel that things are getting bad, then that's a good sign. That means things are about to turn around. It doesn't mean it's going to happen right away, but that means that's when the market is doing what it's doing. And we can expect to see, the cycle complete sometime after that. And that cycle is, pushing new money in, pushing the price up, FOMOing new investors in, and then pulling the price from underneath them. And then we see smart money buy the dip again. So y'all have to pay attention. A lot of bigger companies has still been, buying into the market. I wanted to take a look at, a couple different articles. Like, for instance, Nike accuses a major shoe platform, StockX, of trademark infringement and sales of NFTs. So we see Nike moving into the metaverse, Nike taking things serious. This is probably like one of the first major NFT trademark infringement lawsuits. So y'all can check this article out if y'all want. Also, another article, here just going into a little bit of why Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana are going up today. And some of those reasons are people just pushing money back into, people sold off, they're holding money in cash or stable coin. And to be honest, a lot of these investors have to invest. We got to figure out what to do with this money. We can't just leave this money sitting on the sideline. That's not the way that we made this money. We made the money by putting it to work. So most people want to put that money to work. So after they sit it on the sidelines for a little bit, they see prices fall. Once they start to see it stabilize, they'll begin to start, opening up positions again in those projects that they like the most. And that's what we're seeing. So just some money coming back into the market. Also another, bullish, little baby catalyst. Congress introduces a radical crypto bill to unleash innovation as the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum suddenly soar. So basically, to sum this article up, y'all can just, Google the title if you want to go through this article yourself. But basically, regulators are proposing a bill that would lower, the reporting requirement on crypto transactions. So anything $200 or less would potentially not have to be reported to regulators or the IRS if you're here in the United States. So that's a good sign. And they say they want to unleash innovation. They want to, push the market forward. They don't want to slow things down. And that's a very, very good sign. And it shows that the regulators are also bullish, which we can just connect the dots on that and let us know that the market is not going anywhere, y'all. What they're doing is scaring everyone to run the price down, and they continue to come in and buy it while it's cheap and sell it when the price goes higher, y'all. I try to stress this to y'all and tell y'all this over and over. So now here's another article released today by the New York Post. Quickly just going over 4 ordinary people share how they got rich from crypto. Now I went through this article already, and each of these people, were ordinary people, worked regular day jobs. But what they did do was invest into crypto and started learning. They started that process. None of them got rich overnight. They all, took them multiple years for their positions to play out and give them the gains that they're seeing now. So they all are, approximately around millionaire, multi-millionaire level. But, they all started off small, investing what they could over a period of time. And that's how they got rich, because the price ended up exploding throughout that time. You can never call when it's going to happen, but just know that it will happen. You got to stay down for the come up. So y'all can check that article out if y'all want to. That's pretty much everything we got for today so far. I'm looking at doing a Welly's review. So a lot of people been talking about this new Shiba Inu burger chain in Naples, Italy. And I'm in the process right now of getting a review done of the food, the location, everything about the restaurant, so we can just, have a little bit more information on this. So let me know if y'all are interested in that. And that's all we got for this video. If you'd like to join the private paid Discord, reach out to me via email. Also, take advantage of this sale that I'm having for my crypto course, my technical analysis course, as well as my stock options trading course. If you would like any one of those 3 courses, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.